we are going to introduce you the motion capture suit. Motion capture suit? Yes, that's what you are thinking about, and that's the same thing happening in the movie Player One. Every movement you have will be transferred into the signal and into the data. And those data could be used and applied on so many fields, like the athletes training, healthcare, elderly care, and of course, gaming. Yes, so ladies and gentlemen, now you must be very curious. What kind of material it is? It's a new material, a very unique one called metallic yarn, and it transfers the stainless steel into the soft yarn, and it's comfortable and warm. So ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to follow in the journey to the new technology world? Now, I'll present you the Textile.
Hello everyone, this is Tony from Textile R&D department. Textile, we are a 43 years old experienced textile company, and our services are from R&D, knitting, dyeing, finishing, and garment making. Our mission is to provide trendy apparel with green, healthy, and comfort through innovation technologies. In the first 20 years, we started in Tainan, Taiwan, as a yarn dyeing factories. In the years, we worked our ways to US. We opened a branch office in Los Angeles and New York, and also vertical integration production bases in Mexico. In the year between 2000 and 2010, we worked our way to South Africa, to a country called Kingdom of Eswatini. We also set up a vertical production base in the kingdom. And we also started a few business in different textile areas, including King's Metal Fiber and AIQ Smart Clothing. In 2010 to 2020, we moved our focus back to Asia area. We set up our vertical bases in Yancheng, China, and few more garment factories in Cambodia and Vietnam. Relating to today's topics, smart textile and wearables, Textile has two very important subsidiaries. King's Metal Fiber, who can provide metallic yarns from stainless steel. Metallic yarns has a few very unique functions. It can conduct electric signals and transfer heat. AIQ Smart Clothing, a total solution provider who can integrate textiles with electronic systems. And we have been working in this field for more than 10 years. To live up to the high quality standards of our customers, we set up a quality systems to fulfill our customers' different needs. And to understand the most newest and informations, we also join different institutes around the world, including AATCC, ASTM, and in Taiwan, we also join different groups. And the most importantly for today, we are in the group of Taiwan Smart Textile Association. To understand what's going on in the world, Textile are also participating in different parts of the exhibitions around the world, including Outdoor in US, ISPO in Munich, Intertextile in Shanghai, and TITUS in Taipei. And we also join different exhibitions in the area of electronic systems, like MWC, CES, TISPO, and many others. To introduce our products, first we are going to talk about heart rate and ECG. This is one of the first functions that we found can be used in smart textiles. Back in the days, people used to use smart rings to monitor their heart rates. And by using our solutions, we can embed the sensors into our clothes. And when people wear our clothes, we can monitor the heart rate through easier and comfortable ways. Below, there are a few clicks that can show you the applications in the heart rate monitoring areas. The first will be sports and trainings, and the others will be healthcare and long-term cares.
IQ 智慧衣利用特殊的不锈钢金属纤维作为织物电极，以舒适、方便、贴心为出发点来设计及打造智慧衣。 IQ 健康管理方案，提供专业照护系统整合，全方位照顾长者，让家人更放心。只要穿上 IQ 智慧衣，将开启您一天的智慧健康管理生活。智慧健康管理方案提供整套专业智慧科技设备。先进的位置姿态感知传感器，在长辈发生急难之际发送讯号，让护理人员能做到照护零漏洞，救援零时差。
And next, introducing our heating products. Our metallic yarn can be made into different heating pads and then embedded into clothes, such as jacket, hoodies, and more different products. More importantly, the product has to be safe because it's electronic and heats. So below, there's a video to show that our products can be even working under the situation of wet and water. And when you remove the batteries, the product can actually flow into the washing machines. Next, introducing our motion capture systems. The motion capture suit can use up to more than 80 sensors on a clothes, and it can be used in many different areas, including sports and training, rehab sessions, healthcare, games and entertainments. And the fun part of this system can work without cameras. So when you wear on this suit, you can move freely, safely, easily, and the data captured can be showed simultaneously or be analyzed afterwards. Recently, during the COVID-19 crisis, make us think about what we can do in the smart clothing areas that can help people. So we embedded the temperature monitoring sensor into our clothes. So in that way, when our employees, our staff wear the clothes moving around the working areas, we can easily monitor the temperature continuously. So if there is any certain change of the temperatures or temperature changes during amount of time, we can find out in our systems. And during this time, we can easily track our personnel's moving path, so we don't have to lock down the whole areas. Below, there is a video to show that if a staff is wearing our clothes, whenever he's moving through a gate, the data can be transferred into cloud systems instantly, and it can be seen in the central control computer or on the apps. Okay, so there's a quick summaries of our functionals. Here is a quick review of our functions. Our functions can be applied into different areas, including healthcare, sports and trainings, games and entertainments, and safeties. So, if you are looking for a solution provider and a good partner to working into the smart textile and wearable world, please welcome to contact Textile and AIQ. Thank you for listening.
Hi, Tony.
Hi, Evan.
Thank you for your presentation. That's very shocking.
Thank you.
And I personally like the motion capture suits. That's so cool, very eye-catching.
Thank you.
Can you help us to know more about this and which field are you going to step in?
It actually can be used in many different areas. The first one is sports and training. So when athletes wear on this motion capture suit, when they are performing, we can capture all the movements and data for our coach to do more analysis and teaching afterwards.
Yeah,
Yes.
so we can react very quickly, but keep monitoring all the athletes and
Yes.
all the reaction.
Yes,
Right?
and because we can put up to 18 sensors on the clothes, so every joint, every movement can be monitored.
So it would be very specific.
Yes, that's right.
And what about in healthcare and elderly care? Because it's very big in the future.
People used to go to hospital for rehabs, and the doctor has to see the people doing the movements in the hospital. So by using this motion capture device to help, a doctor can give the patient their descriptions, and the patient go back. They can turn on their cell phones to see the apps, to see how many movements and how the movements they have to do every day. So they can, by doing so, and record on the apps. So they don't have to go back to hospital every day to see the doctor. So saving the doctor's time, and doctor can see the records online and give our patients more instant comments and feedbacks.
Yeah, and
Yes.
more instruction.
Yes.
Wow, this distance clinic.
Yes.
And the last one is the most excited part. It's the gaming.
Yes, gaming and entertainment is one of the biggest industry in the world now. Yeah, and just like in the movie Player One, what you see is gonna be coming true in the future. By wearing this motion capture suit, enables you to play the games without having your hands bounded. So your hands are free, your bodies are free. Whatever movements you do, it's in the game. Yeah, and also in the filming industry, by wearing this motion capture suit can help you do some animations. So it's safer, it's easy to wear, and it helps you enhance your movements.
Yeah, so the high-tech world is going to be on your real life.
Yes.
And for the last question about the gaming, a lot of companies actually focus on this as well.
Yes.
So what is your winning points?
There are two very unique strengths of our company, because we started this business very early, like back in 10 years ago.
Wow.
So we have a lot of experience dealing with different situations. So if you are looking for customized smart device or smart wearable, and we are the one to look for. And also the main point of this, the main strength of this is we have a unique function of extruding metallic yarn from stainless steel. Yes. So,
so you mean this is actually the stainless steel?
yes.
Wow.
The yarns that you have in your hands are actually extruded from the stainless steel. And these yarns are like 1/20th of the thickness of your hair.
Well, but it's so soft, even softer than my hair.
Yeah, and because of this unique material, it has special functions and features. It allows us to conduct electricities, transmit signals, and heating. Yeah, so we apply those different functions into the products that you see. Yeah.
Amazing. And what about the strength?
It's actually by using wearable technology, there are a few very important points that we have to take care. One is that you just mentioned, it feels good, comfortable, because we are wearing it. And the other one is safety and washable. Yeah, because safety comes first, always.
So, can we try?
Sure, of course.
Okay. So now I have this. Oh wow, it's already hot.
Yeah, it's a heating pad.
Okay,
Yeah.
let me see what's the temperature? Oh, it's 31. Wow.
31, yes.
31, okay. So now, 31 Celsius. So now,
Let me try for you.
yeah,
Okay.
put it into the water.
Put it in the
and
water.
twist it as hard as you can.
Of course.
Like mommy.
Let's try.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, it's all wet right now.
It's all wet.
Yeah.
Okay. And I
Twist
can
it.
twist it like in the washing machine.
Bend it.
Bend it. Okay.
Are you still alive? Let's
I
try.
am still alive, of course. Yes.
Okay. Oh, it's still very hot with 28, even though it's into the water and back.
Yes.
Cool.
And more importantly, it's safe and still working.
Yes,
Okay.
it's still hot. And nothing. Just kidding.
Don't scare out of it.
And I heard you also bring us some functional fabrics and lightening solutions. Could you share us about that?
Sure. Taiwan are not only well known for smart textiles, we also are into functional fabrics.
Yes.
Okay, so here on my side there is a smart LED jacket, and there is a smart fashion mask, because nowadays everybody needs a mask.
Yes.
And what is smart about it, it has a unique feature of antibacterial. So when you wear it, it cleans the air, so it doesn't smell bad after a long time when you wear it for long times.
Yes.
Okay, and on this jacket,
Okay, turn it over. What's that?
it's a LED jacket.
Oh.
When people are jogging or riding bicycle in the dark, we can use our yarns to make LEDs onto our garments. So when you wear it on the road doing exercise, it's safer.
Yes.
And even for policemen or workers, they will be safer on the road.
And for the future plan, I heard you want to make it more sensible, right?
Yes. Yeah, because by embedding all the different functions into one clothes is also our strength. So in the future, what we're gonna do is try to use motion sensors and LED jackets. So when you're riding, you turn left, shine on the left.
Yeah.
You turn right, shine on the right.
Cool. And talking about COVID-19, I heard you also have some solution for temperature catching, right?
Yes, because we can embed a lot of different sensors onto our clothes. So temperature is one of the leading facts that we defined where people is having COVID-19 right now. So by using those temperature sensors embedded onto our clothes, when our people, our staff or our workers walking around the areas, we can know the instant temperature of this person. And wherever he goes, we know. Like on Google Map, they can monitor outside.
Yes.
But inside the building, we can monitor the person from door to door. So be more specific about the tracing of this person. Wow. So if the temperature has a certain change or has went up over amount of time, we can know from our data that this person has been here, has been there, and now he's bad. So we don't have to lock down and shut down the whole area. The whole area. Wow. We can have a better understanding of this person path.
So the tracing will be easier than before, from the blocks to block to room to room. So it's scaled down.
Yes.
Cool. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have a lot of new and cool new technology and textile here, and they are all from
Textile.